Your beliefs and your thoughts are literally what forms your life. Hi guys, my name is Ieva Bereisaite and I am a manifestation and mindset coach, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be all about the law of attraction and how you can manifest anything that you want. So let's jump straight into the video, and I'm going to start by explaining how manifestation and how the law of attraction actually work. The law of attraction is actually quite well known, and it explains how one thing attracts the other. For example, in basic terms, let's say you're in a very grumpy or negative mood. You will attract more of that same energy. If you're in a positive, good mood, you will attract more of that type of energy. So whatever you radiate, whatever type of energy you're feeling, that is what you will be attracting into your life as well. And this is because everything is made up of energy, and so are we. And energy has a certain vibrational frequency that you can also even measure. And that vibrational frequency basically works as a magnet and attracts other energies and frequencies that have the same vibration. So we are basically walking magnets, okay? And for example, let's say that shame, the feeling of shame, has the vibrational frequency of 200 hertz, okay? And if you feel shame, and we all know how that feels, and if you feel that, you will attract more of that feeling into your life, and that similar vibrational frequency of 200 hertz will continue to be attracted into your life. And similar vibration to shame is fear or guilt, and those are similar negative things that will be attracted when you feel shame. The law of attraction, just like hundreds of other universal laws, are consistently working. There's no on and off button. And since they are consistently working, we can either use these laws to actually help us in our lives and make our lives more positive and nicer, or we can become completely unaware of these laws and they will not work to our benefit. Okay, so understanding how it works can be of great value in our lives. So as I mentioned, the law of attraction in a nutshell is basically what you radiate is what you attract. The energy that you give out, you receive back. And manifestation has a lot to do with the law of attraction, but it's not the same thing. And manifestation is more like having thoughts, ideas, wishes, and dreams in your mind and transforming them into the physical. Okay, and it's a phenomenon. It's a transformation from the mind to physical reality. And we as humans can consciously and subconsciously manifest all the time. Okay, we are consistently manifesting all the time in our everyday life. Every second, we are actually manifesting. So we can use the law of attraction to manifest our desires. So it's not necessarily the same thing, because the law of attraction is a universal law and manifestation is a phenomenon that transforms your imagination into the physical, but they work hand in hand. You cannot have one without the other, and you cannot have any universal law, because there are, as I said, hundreds of and thousands probably of universal laws out there, and the law of attraction is just one of the most famous ones that most people talk about. But just like the law of rhythm, the law of cause and effect, the law of oneness, the law of vibration, there are so many universal laws out there, and they all work hand in hand like a clock in order for you to be able to manifest the desires and the dream life that you want. So we have to understand the full concept and not just the law of attraction, but all the universal laws. And I actually have a webinar on it. If you're interested, let me know. And the more universal laws we understand, the easier it will be to understand manifestation, and the easier it will be to actually consciously start manifesting your dream life step by step. So we can manifest anything that we desire, okay? But when it comes to manifestation, I always tell everyone to manifest from the heart and not the ego. And I have a whole video on that explaining why that's so important. But true happiness will always come from the heart and not the ego, okay? We can still manifest everything that we desire, even if it's ego driven. But when you manifest from the heart and when you manifest truly soul experiences and experiences that you really want and things that you really want from the soul, that is what's actually going to bring you your desired happiness, and not things that you manifest from the ego. So there is a big difference, and I always say manifest from the heart is 1,000 times better than from the ego. And as I said, I have a whole video on that. You can check it out for sure if you're interested in finding out more about that. At the end of the day, we still manifest the things that we desire, and we also manifest the things that we do not desire as well. Your beliefs and your thoughts are literally what forms your life. Your beliefs and your thoughts are also actually what manifests into physical form. If you, for example, think that you are poor, or that money is evil, or that money is the root of unhappiness, or just have a very negative outlook on wealth and money, chances are, actually, it's 100% true that you will attract no wealth and little money. Okay, simply because of your relationship towards wealth, okay, and simply because of the beliefs that you have acquired about something. So your beliefs about everything in life is so important. If your belief is going to be negative, of something, you are going to lack it. You are not going to have it, okay? If you believe you are not worthy of having a family or a marriage that's successful, if you have the belief of, I'm not going to have this, then you're not going to have it, okay? And that's how manifestation works. That's such a core fundamental of it. It's in your beliefs. It's in what you perceive to be true for your life is what is actually going to manifest into your reality. If you have negative beliefs about yourself and your life, you're going to have a shitty life. If you have really good beliefs and you believe in yourself and you work through all those negative, limiting things that you think about yourself and your life, if you work through those, your life will become better. You will start attracting more of what you desire, okay? That's again how the law of attraction manifestation works. So you believe something, like you believe I am happy, that I'm so helpful, that I'm so healthy, I mean. If you're, for example, sick and you keep saying to yourself, I'm so grateful that I'm so healthy, and you start believing it, doing healthy things, taking care of your health, and you just believing it, you will become healthy again if you are sick, okay? That's the principle of it. That's what we attract. Our beliefs form our life. That is the complete fundamental whole explanation, actually. If you've come this far and heard this is just the most important part of the video, okay? Your beliefs form your life to 100%. If you believe you are completely worthy of wealth, money comes to you easily, you easily attract friends, you are super happy in your job, and you just believe good things will come into your life, and you believe that your desires are coming right now, and you're clear on what you want, and you're certain that you're gonna get it, you are gonna get it. It's gonna be given to you. There's nothing that you cannot have, but it's all about your subconscious beliefs, and I have a whole video on that above, and I'm gonna link it here. So I'm gonna tell you what the best ways that I personally think are to manifest your desires into your life and get what it is that you desire. And for one, I really, really do believe in affirmations, because affirmations, when done correctly, they literally change that negative belief that we talked about just a couple of minutes ago. It's that negative belief that we want to change around to be a positive belief, okay, in the long run. So affirmations are really good. And again, I have a video on how you literally change your negative beliefs through affirmations and why they're so important. And so affirming that you have whatever it is that you desire, that you already have it, and having that certainty and affirming it consistently and believing it is what is going to attract it into your reality, because the words that you speak have an energy, have a frequency, just like everything, like we talked about. And the words that you say have a vibration. So they are already attracting a different kind of energy. And since everything, including money, including happiness, including everything, love, has energy, that's how it works, I hope you're getting an aha moment. So what you speak, you send out energy, and it's magnetically attracting the same vibration, or a very similar and even better one. And that's what comes into your life through the law of attraction. When you change your beliefs, you will transform it into the physical as well. Okay, that's how it works. If you, for example, want to gain more confidence and you do not feel confident in your body, even if you do not feel confident in your body, you would say, I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. You would literally say it over and over again. Before you go to sleep, you repeat it. When you wake up in the morning, you repeat it. If you're driving and have nothing to do and you're bored, you repeat it in your mind. You repeat it in your mind. And at some point soon, the disc in your mind will rewrite itself. The negative belief that is stored in your subconscious mind will become a positive belief. That belief of I am not confident will become I am confident. And you will feel more confident. You will act more confidently, because like I said, the beliefs in your mind, they transform your reality. They change how you act. So you will start acting more confident, and you will be attracting more confidence into your life. You will genuinely become what you are saying. Another extremely powerful manifestation technique that I swear by is acting as if. And I have a whole video on this linked up as well. And it's extremely good. Okay, like this technique and this way of living, because it should become a way of living, is super effective. It's extremely good. So when we were talking about confidence a second ago, with the technique of acting as if, you would have to ask yourself, okay, well, what's the negativity that I feel? And when that is feeling not confident and you want to change that into feeling confident, so you have your affirmation that I am confident, that you're going to be repeating. And then you're going to ask yourself, okay, well, I want to attract confidence. What would a confident person, what would the confident version of myself be doing differently in my everyday life? And you would start doing what that confident version of yourself would do. Okay, so would you dress differently? Start dressing differently. Would you read books about, how to be more confident, how to gain more self-esteem? Would you start working out, start feeling better about your body? Would you eat differently and start doing those things step by step, which will bring you so much closer to the overall goal of becoming more confident? And I go really into detail in this technique because it's so good and powerful on the video above. So yeah, guys, there are hundreds of techniques to manifest. And at the end of the day, it's really a self-discovery journey and learning about the law of attraction or other universal laws, and learning about manifestation will bring so many beautiful opportunities into your life to become a better version of yourself. These laws, these ideas, have been around for thousands of years, and you can see them in so many religious books and everywhere. They've been around, and now on YouTube, there's like so many techniques. Manifest this, manifest that, manifest super fast. At the end of the day, I shared with you my tips, my 2 techniques that I find so effective, affirmations and acting as if, and try them out. Watch the videos, see how you like it, see what changes for you, because it's about your change, you making your life better. And yeah, so if you want to learn more, make sure you click on my website. I have a free workbook that is all about getting your sign from God or from the universe. And it's a super interesting workbook filled with tips and tricks about how to feel more aligned and more connected. So definitely click on the link in the description box and check out the workbook. If you are interested in working with me one-on-one, feel free to send me an email in the description box below. You will get my email address, or you can just DM me and check out my website as well. And yeah, also check out my Facebook group, the Heaven on Earth community. I do lives in there very frequently about these types of topics, so make sure you join the community. Also check me out on my Instagram. My Instagram is Your Mind is Heaven. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Also, if you've never had a coaching with me before, but you're just interested to learn more or have very specific questions and you just want to chat with me, then let me know. We can book a free discovery call, which would be awesome. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you loved the video. Tell me below if you like it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I wish you an amazing day. Have fun manifesting. Bye.